Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here. Going to be making a mystery metal round coin today. I've already made one. There it is. Now, obviously that come out quite nice, as you can see there. And I'll be making another one. Still a bit drossy. This is a custom made crucible. This is quarter of a map gas tank sawn in half. So this is a stainless steel DIY crucible. Now we'll be pouring it into these larger 4cm molds. This is the stuff that I has been using. Made up of all sorts of different metals. Quite a bit of zinc in there this time though, from the previous pours. Well, there is still some antimony and zinc and other stuff in there also. So, still a mystery metal, an unknown alloy. We're using map gas just to pour this into the round here. Should be quite simple. And the last of my gas. Melting quite quickly. I think it may have some indium in there. Just cleaning the mould after the last coin I made moments ago. Ooh, wind. Scoop up some of that dross there. Quite a bit of dross still. Dross burning, that is, burning zinc. Scoop that out. Still quite a bit left in there. Whoop. Okay. Low on gas. Tweezers, tongs, scoop the dross to the side so it can be removed. There we go. Running low on gas anyway, but that's good because this is a low temperature alloy due to the amount of indium and antimony. Lots of bits of carbonate. So let's pour this. There we go. That looks very nice. It's cooled very quickly indeed, due to I never preheated the mold. So nice quick video. This will be mystery metal ingot, well, mystery metal round 1 and 2. And I will stamp them appropriately. As you can see, that's very shiny. Still cooling a little bit. It's acquiring a nice little pattern there, as you can see. And this is what it should look like, hopefully. Nice formed round. Nice coin, that is. So, it should be cool now. Yep. Just drop it. Oh, very, very nice. Look at that. Nice pattern. Extremely shiny. A few little craters, but shouldn't matter too much, as I will stamp it. It's quite thick, as you can see. It's thicker than the other one. Nice. And they're a mystery metal coin rounds 1 and 2. Well, see you in the next pouring.